Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to create a professional website without any coding experience, you are in the right place because in today's video, I am going to walk you through on how to use Wix step by step, whether you are starting a personal blog, a business site, or an online store. Wix makes it easy for anyone to build a beautiful website. So let's begin. Now, first of all, you need to head over to the official website, which is going to be www.wix.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's super simple. All you have to do is click the Get Started option here on the upper right corner. Now, when you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded in this page wherein you can sign up with your email, like your business, personal or work email, or you may gonna use your Google or your Facebook account wherever you're comfortable. After signing up, next thing is choosing a template. Now, as you can see, Wix offers hundreds of pre-designed templates that you can customize, from blogs to online stores, portfolios to business websites. They've got it all. Just pick one that suits your style. So on the left side, you can browse by category right here. Design templates, wireframes, type. Is it going to be an e-commerce, one page, portfolio, CMS, company site, industry or business, technology, creative, fashion and beauty, features like stores, bookings, portfolio, blogs, events, pricing plans, restaurant, and the style could be from dark, minimal, illustrative, and typography. Now, the reason there's a lot of categories here is to make Wix suggest a predefined template for your preference. Okay, so for example, we're going to choose a type, and that's going to be maybe like a portfolio. Industry is something like creative. Features is going to be like around maybe, I don't know, like portfolio again. Style is of course illustrative. Now, these are gonna be some of the templates that is being suggested, okay? Now, all you have to do is choose something that suits your style or best represents your brand or identity. For example, this one, if you wanted to take a quick glimpse of the template, you might want to do so. You can click on the Google Play right here. You have the option for the desktop or laptop, the tablet, and the mobile view for responsiveness. If you're happy with it, all you have to do is click the edit template here. What will happen is you would be forwarded and Wix Studio is setting up things for you. It'll take a little while, but once you've done that, now you will be offered to the Wix editor wherein we can customize the template. All right. Now on the left side is going to be the tools. You can add layers, pages, global sections, and on top is going to be the add elements wherein you can put image, text, title, paragraphs, video, container button. So I'm going to put in an image here. If you click that, all I have to do is drag it down here. You see that? This is going to be the image. If you do so, it's going to duplicate. I'm going to remove the first one. If you do so, you see there's going to be an option for you to customize or edit on the right side. If you wanted to put a specific image here, click on the change image. You would be forwarded here on your the media from Wix. All right, these are going to be the free ones. If you wanted more professional looking images, you might want to hover to Shutterstock. But the thing is, they are like kind of paid, so you are required to avail the subscription plan. But if you don't want that, you might want to use the Unsplash, which is going to be, some of them are mostly free. If you use the image AI creator, which is going to be you can choose a style from photo, illustration, so you can do a lot. And you can type in your that best describes your image. For example, we're going to put in how to use Wix. Create an image, and let's see what will happen here. This is one of the best features for Wix. As you can see, this is one of the best way for you to create an image out of Wix. If you want to use this image, you might want to click on that. I'm gonna hit on cancel because I'm going to upload a specific file from my computer. You can use the local computer, your Wix account, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, and a lot more. It's up to you, all right? But in my case, I'm going to upload to my computer. I'm going to upload from my computer here. Once it's loaded, you have the option to optimize the image. You can create a video, cut out background, crop and edit. So there's a lot. But for now, I'm going to click on update. I'm going to drag this probably around here. See that? That's going to be my image. All right. Not only that, you can put another options on the side. We can put in videos, buttons, bookings, and blog, which is going to be one of the main feature for Wix. You can add to site, you can start a blog, share your expertise, and engage with your audience. Matter of fact, we have a separate video on how to start blogging here on Wix that you might want to check on our channel. So please, if you haven't already, might want to click on that video on our channel. But for this topic, I'm going to add Wix for now. It's one of the handy features. Wait for it. It's adding a lot of content. Now the loading times depends on your internet connection and of course on your computer specifications or specs. Also, if you add more elements here, it's gonna have trouble loading faster. So we have a separate video on how to make a website loading faster that you might want to check on our channel. Now, if you hover to the left side again, there's gonna be like a pages section wherein you can put as more information as you can, like homepage, company, all these like subscription forms, privacy policy, and a lot more. You can have the option to see the desktop view, the tablet view, making sure that the template that you use are mobile responsive. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on publish. All right, that's one way for you to start using Wix. Not only that, this is very important. I want you to hover to main dashboard and I want you to hover to the left side wherein you're going to be seeing the billing and subscription. This is very important because you need to click on the domains, because if you haven't already, you might want to buy a new domain name or connect a domain you already own. All right. Now I'm going to click on buy a new domain name. For example, I wanted something like for jeeplabs.com. I'm going to click on search. After publishing your site, you need a strong domain of your own. All right. What will happen is it will give you some suggestions. For example, I'm going to be choosing jeeplabs.net. Click on get it. What will happen is I would be forwarded in this section. Okay. Now, all I have to do is choose the registration period. 1 year for buying that domain is going to be $14.95. 2 years is going to be $13 and a lot. All I have to do is click on continue. For example, 1 year. Then all you have to do is hover to the payment section. Just pay for all these. And once you've done that, after publishing, you will have access to your Wix dashboard where you can manage your site's content, settings, and analytics, and a lot more. You can always use Wix built-in analytics tool to track website visitors, sales if you have a store, and other key metrics. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.